Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video about the Toronto Auto Show 2019. It was great over there, it was tiring, it has great cars over there, but the only thing I didn't like it's not worth it the 5 hour drive from where I live. I live in Montreal and the thing is Toronto. In this video is me driving a direct drive wheel from Accuforce. I didn't bring my GoPro, so it was not a POV video, so I did with my DSLR camera, which is a Nikon D3400. The game is iRacing. What I didn't like about this is the fucking pedal. The pedal is really stupid who designed it. The pedal was way too close from each other, so when I was braking with my right foot, I was pressing the gas in the same time, so the car just won't brake. So what I did is just switch it to left foot braking. Other than that, the wheel feels great. Pretty much, yeah, just not worth it the price. I would go with that OSW, which is way cheaper. Hope you like it, and see you next time.
When you're pushing the brake, you're actually pushing the gas a bit, so make sure your foot's only on the brake. Yeah, so you should use your left foot to brake. What the fuck?